be whisked away into a world of unrivaled refinement as we invite you to our captivating video tour. Join us as we immerse ourselves in the realm of timeless elegance that graces living room interiors. With 7 stunning spaces awaiting your exploration, prepare to be ignited by the essence of classic sophistication. Within the embrace of each living room, a symphony of elements orchestrates a luxurious aesthetic. From sumptuous textures embracing sofas and armchairs to the meticulously curated decorative pillows, no detail is spared. The presence of refined furnishings and imaginative chandeliers elevates the very atmosphere, transforming every corner into a masterpiece of artistry. Invite you to hit these likes button and subscribe. Become an esteemed member of our creative community. Stay in the loop with the latest trends in elegant interiors that promise to ignite your inspiration. Step into an embrace of warm, opulent hues that envelop each room, paving the way for thoughtfully selected decor pieces to amplify the sense of luxury. A mesmerizing abstract painting commands attention at the heart of the seating area, infusing the space with its unique character. Living rooms embody the epitome of sophistication, offering a visual feast that delights the eyes and a haven of comfort that beckons you to linger.